had my dinner, had my shower. Now I'm uploading all the video footage from my ride today, to include me eating shit. So we're going to do a little walkabout with the puppies and the old mans. We're going to start with the boys, because why not? Hi, stinky boys. What, buddy? Yeah, I'm not petting you. You guys, oh yeah, you've been, ooh, yeah. You guys reek. Yeah, I don't have the glove, sorry. Yeah? Oh God, you guys stink. And of course, the showgirls. Oh. Are you stuck? No. Oh, good. Okay. You just got your head through the fence. Being sassy. Got it. Hi, Sparkle Parts. You brewing a beautiful baby girl in there? That's what I'd like to see. And the chimkins? Girls, thank you again for your contribution to my protein intake. I greatly appreciate it. Misfire, you're doing a wonderful job. Thank you, handsome boy. What pretty girl. Check on the Dorset sheeps. They are not fans of Xena yet. We will work with them on that. But they are doing very good. They are acclimatizing and getting used to being in this type of environment, which is very, very good for them. Of course, our main herd, main lovely girls. Hi. Hi. Cedar, Maple. Hi, girls. Grunt, grunt. Everybody's doing good. Getting all kinds of fat and sassy. My fence repair slash fix slash permanent fixture is working very well. And this weekend I'm going to fix that whole debacle over there too. Miss Flo. Yeah, we're going to fix that gate all completely. And of course our South Downs are still here because we still don't know what we're doing with them. Decisions need to be made, but they're not being made. I just work here. But they're doing good too. They are especially enjoying these cooler evenings. I can't imagine why.